Anansi semsi so sesumiara.
Anansi semsi se. Yes, it's a swell. Yes, it's a swami. Miss is a swell. So as Esii Kɔyɔbɛda, a short story, a beautiful story about community, about honesty. So it follows an interaction between the tiger and Anansi. Anansi the spider in Akan mythical figure, Anansi. And Anansi has a trap, has a farmland, feeds his family, and tiger embarks on a stealing hunt on Anansi's catch. And so Anansi decides to reveal who the thief is, and so he sets a trap. Tiger gets entangled in the trap, get exposed. The entire community, the entire village sees who was stealing from Anansi, and so to let people know that what doesn't belong to you is not yours. You shouldn't take it before or without telling who the owner is. And at the end of the other so memfa enyina yeti o man Baako dia na enyina idea nti enye dia memfa saa na obesa na wakoto amene nti sese ne osimokoto amene ni ma ni yeti ya ne aje
Na eja nanse ni debusia bo wa pata ne ye kono re ya woma efudi hwehwe